And he's eating the pots. Panda. 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 Oh. Look. Amanda kind of wanted to play with the hose. Right, Amanda? Yeah. I'm riding a motorcycle. What? I'm riding a motorcycle. But I mean, I do kind of. Oh, I still want it. Oh, yeah. Oh, girl. Oh, Panda.
Amanda's better than me.
Oh. Mom? You know why I'm keeping my helmet on? I don't want Dad to get it and Amanda. I don't want Daddy to put it on. Amanda to eat it. And then Daddy puts it on. Daddy puts it on. I go down the ride. Dad on the motorcycle.
Keep going, Amanda.